In the maxi, the demo's arms suddenly freeze in places, held back by an invisible force. A stunned Mike opens his eyes. As the demo writhes, muscle straining, trying to break free, we push past the creature to reveal Will. He's now on his feet with his hands held out in the direction of the Demogorgon. His eyes are solid white. He's doing this. As a wide-eyed Mike and Joyce take this in, down in the tunnels, the demo lunges at Lucas, but Will calmly holds out his other hand, and this demo is frozen in place too. Back in the maxi, Will, two hands out now slightly lowers his head, and Robin, on the field, watches in awe. She sees her demo become frozen too. Mike, Lucas, and Robin watch, transfixed, as the monsters levitate 10 feet into the air. Will closes his eyes, and then he curls his hands into fists. Quick cuts as all three demos are violently killed by a powerful force. Their arms snap, their legs break, their necks twist, they crash to the ground, dead. Will drops to his knees in the middle of the burning battlefield. Mike and Joyce look on, speechless. Will slowly unclenches his fist and peels open his eyes. His eyes are back to normal, only they now reveal a new sense of calm and strength. He is now in control. He is a sorcerer. As a trail of blood slips from his nose, we end Volume 1.
Now you get to deal with that bloody nose.